Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews on the best products out there. Today, we're diving into a top-notch solution for all your concrete crack and joint issues, the Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant, Gray. This product is hailed as the best Sikas Crack Flex, offering an exceptional solution to sealing horizontal expansion joints in concrete surfaces. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is a premium-grade polyurethane product that stands out because of its self-leveling property. Unlike other sealants, this one doesn't require tooling. It levels itself out, making it incredibly easy to use and saving you time and effort during application. This sealant is designed specifically for sealing cracks and joints in concrete, ensuring durability and long-lasting results. Whether it's your driveway, sidewalk, or balcony, this sealant can handle it all. What makes it even better is that it's waterproof once cured, so it provides a reliable seal even in wet conditions. You won't have to worry about the cracks reopening after a little rain. It's also resistant to aging and weathering, so it's perfect for outdoor use where it will be exposed to harsh environmental conditions. The Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is not just durable but also highly versatile. It can be used on concrete surfaces that need to bridge gaps up to 1.5 inches wide, offering solid adhesion and elasticity. It's even paintable, which means you can seamlessly match it with your existing surface color. Once it's cured, you'll notice that the surface feels flexible yet solid, offering long-term protection against wear and tear. For anyone who's been dealing with cracked concrete or looking for an efficient way to seal expansion joints, this is an ideal product. It's easy to apply, offers impressive durability, and ensures a waterproof and long-lasting finish. If you're tackling any concrete sealing project, Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is a must-have tool in your kit. So, there you have it. Sikaflex Self-Leveling Sealant is a game-changer when it comes to crack repair and joint sealing in concrete. Make sure to give it a try on your next project and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.